an indictment handed up by the grand jury on May 28th of 2025. It alleges in summary that on or about May 13th, 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the first-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping. Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boss. This is where the stakes skyrocket. A first-degree felony in Texas. That's the same category as murder. We're talking a possible life sentence, or as little as 5 years depending on how this plea deal goes. But notice how calm the defendant is. Either they've made peace with it, or they don't fully grasp how heavy this just got. What do you think?
This is a first-degree felony, which means if convicted, you face a term of life in prison or any term of not more than 99 years or less than 5 years in prison. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement has been reached where you would be pleading guilty, sentenced to 15 years imprisonment. Then the other case that's pending, 24 CR 1735, the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle, will be dismissed. And also, of course, you were given full credit for time served in connection with this case. Do you understand that to be the plan?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't understand. What makes this aggravated kidnapping? I'm looking at the statute and
It's under A4, Judge.
inflicting bodily injury
Yes, sir.
with intent to inflict bodily injury or violate or abuse him sexually.
The or there,
Where's
the or is important here in this matter, Judge.
okay?
Paragraph, subparagraph 4 would be to take bodily injury on them.
Here's where things get legally tricky. The term aggravated isn't just for flair. It means there was an added element of violence, injury, or intent to sexually abuse. The judge is parsing the statute language, those tiny or and then words that can change someone's sentence by decades. This is the kind of legal hair-splitting that defense attorneys live for. Quick question. If intent alone can elevate the charge, do you think that's fair?
That's what's alleged here in our indictment.
The first part of subpart 4. 20.
That is my understanding.
Subpart A, subpart 4, which has two methods: inflicting bodily with intent to inflict bodily injury or to violate or abuse them sexually.
Yes, sir.
And all
Your bodily injury.
with intent to inflict bodily injury.
And that's what's detailed at the caption of the offense as well, Judge.
Do you understand what you're charged with here?
Yes, sir.
And the punishment range, again, is no less than 5, no more than 99 years confinement in prison or life imprisonment. And that the agreement is that you will be pleading guilty, sentenced to 15 years in prison. All of that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal of your case. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this indictment as alleged? First-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping with intent to inflict bodily injury on the victim, guilty or not guilty? Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty. That's a yes or no.
Yeah.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1, sir. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did you understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents? You don't have to sign it. You've already signed it. Is everything true and correct?
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence, without objection, admitted. And that is your signature at the bottom, right?
Yes.
Okay. Among other things, State's Exhibit 1, which is made a part of this record for this hearing, states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea freely and voluntarily made. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You've read it. You were guilty of the crime charged in any lesser included offenses. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true. It states, so help you God. That's what this states.
Yes, all this.
That's what it states, correct? I swear all the following, as well as the testimony I give is the truth, so help me God.
Witnesses? If you have trial, you have witnesses, but you don't have trial, it needs to take a deal, so there's no witnesses. She asking if that's true and correct.
Is all of this true and correct that you signed?
I don't know.
Sir,
I don't know.
that was withdrawn. We will set it for trial. That is all there is to this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Are you kidding me? You're gonna play a game
I'm not trying to play a game.
on the last minute of the fourth quarter?
Please let me take 15. Please. Please, God. Please. I think he wants to take, I mean, you understand everything's true and correct. Everything is true and correct. Please, God. Please, God, take 15. Thank you, Judge. Everything is true. Stop.
Because you're under oath
Oh, bro. Yes, sir.
and you start falsifying.
And there it is, 15 years locked in. The courtroom tone shifts from negotiation to finality in a single breath. What started as confusion and pleading ends with a quiet, "Yes, I do." It's almost haunting. Whether you think justice was served or not, this moment captures the gravity of accountability and the silence that follows a life-changing sentence.
Under oath, those are crimes.
Yes, sir.
This is serious enough. You don't want to multiply your problems, do you?
No, sir.
All right. So once again, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. And this is, you have signed this, State's Exhibit 1 under oath. All is true and correct, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
And a pre-sentence report is waived.
Yes, sir.
All right. Anything from the state to add?
No.
I'm going to follow then this agreement and make the findings that you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty. You are entering your guilty plea freely, voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and based upon discussions with your attorney. There is sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted in this hearing to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this first-degree felony of aggravated kidnapping. I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this offense. And I am following this agreement. You were hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 15 years. You will be given credit for all time you have served in accordance with your custody in this case. And then we got another case to dismiss, right?
I've said that. You should have it, Judge.
Before the court. The case is hereby dismissed as part of this agreement. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Nothing, Judge.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Thank you very much. That is all.